Hello everyone, this is Chris with Sticker Fab. Today we're going to be doing a video on something different. It's like 50 degrees in North Fort Myers, which is kind of cold, but we're not installing vinyl this morning. Let me show you what we're going to be talking about. I just got a shipment of these. I'm gonna say it's pronounced Dongar. Dongar Technologies. It's a harness that allows you to hook a USB cable up to basically the same area as your mirror. It's an inline harness that gives you a USB port. So open it up. You can see we have OE style plugs right there, and inline it just breaks out the power and you get a USB cord. This also comes with a very short micro USB, and then I forgot what that's called, but the older style USB port that we used to see on various devices. I think the last GoPro I had still used that. So what this does, we can probably see it from this side. As soon as I picked up my vehicle from Iowa, I put a dash cam on there because we were going to be driving all the way from Iowa to Florida, and I wanted to have a little, little protection, a little CYA, if you know what that means, in case we did get in any accidents. And I had the wire, because I have the Lux package, there's a USB port right on my dash. There's a USB-C and a standard plug, that's type A. And I had the wire routed all the way over there and down and around. You can actually see it push through some of the foam insulation in here. You could see it hanging down there. It worked fine, fine for the trip and fine for a while. But it kept on sliding down. I was gonna get my friend to 3D print something to just kind of keep it up in there. It would fall down. That got kind of annoying. People would drive my vehicle and I'd just come back and just be hanging down. So, let's see here. You can see I haven't even zip tied it up there. I just routed it around the wire and it keeps it tucked nice and clean up there out of view. And I have that cord going right there into my Nexar camera. One thing I am going to do is stock we're going to get some splitters, and we're going to get some RJ11 adapters, because I didn't really have a solution for the radar detector. It just kind of hangs in here and goes all the way to the center console. So I'm going to get a splitter and a 5 volt to 12 volt converter. We'll offer those on our sites. And then I'll be able to power both the dash cam and that at the same time. It's really quick installation, only takes a few seconds to get that wired up. So head to our website and you'll be able to pick one of those up. That other website is in development. You'll start seeing various parts on Sticker Fab, and those parts are the parts that I'm going to consider essential parts that you just want on your vehicle when you buy it. Little accessories that make the day-to-day driving experience better, like that adapter. We have the pedal commander on our site now, the OCD plug screen protector, anti-glare on there, and I think there's one or two other things. We have that auto stop eliminator on there as well. Those are just the essential items. However, 21 Off-Road will have exhaust systems, all types of off-road modifications, lighting. We'll also have our own lighting, I believe. That's a work in progress. OE style upgraded headlights for the people that just have the LEDs with the small bar and no DRL. We'll also get the upgraded taillights that look just like these for the people that have the halogen taillights. And then we'll explore designs like getting the Raptor taillights and all sorts of stuff. So please feel free to contact me. Ideas, things you want in general for the vehicle. It doesn't just have to be vinyl. I will take all those into consideration. In a past life, I did private labeling and product development for another company, so I'm very well versed in this. It's just that vinyl was something I was able to do from my home. I don't even consider myself artsy or anything like that, but I was modifying vehicles with stickers. They looked great to me, and I just rolled with it. But we will start to get into some of those other parts, so we can just provide you a full experience for your full-size Bronco, and hopefully Bronco Sport. There are some things in the pipeline for the Bronco Sport as well. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already, and hit that bell notification icon for the latest and greatest things to come for the 2021 Plus Ford Bronco and Ford Bronco Sport.